happens when the mission script, the SCAR files, fails to execute correctly. Here's how you can fix it step by step. #fix for fatal SCAR error in Winter Assault campaign. MAR1, verify game files. Open Steam library, right-click Dawn of War Dark Crusade / Winter Assault DE, properties, installed files, verify integrity of game files. This ensures your SCAR scripts aren't corrupted. #2, run without mods. Even if you think it's unmodded, the game sometimes loads leftover mod files. Go to your Dawn of War folder, Steam apps / common / Dawn of War. Delete any leftover module files from mods you no longer use. Check Documents My Games / Dawn of War, delete the W40K and Winter Assault folders. These will regenerate. #3, disable AI skirmish enhancements, if installed. Sometimes the community AI patch or any skirmish AI script accidentally affects the campaign. If you ever had them, uninstall, remove them. 4. Launch in compatibility mode. Right-click W40KWA.exe, Winter Assault executable. Properties, compatibility, run in Windows XP SP3 mode. Check run as administrator. 5. Use command line arguments. Force the game to run with stable parameters. In Steam, right-click, properties, launch options. Add. You can see the code in our conversation history. This skips intro movies, disables VSync, and turns off hardware sound, which sometimes breaks scripts. 6. Reinstall the game, last resort. If the first campaign mission still crashes, completely uninstall Dawn of War plus Winter Assault. Manually delete leftover folders in Steam apps / common and documents / my games. Reinstall fresh. After doing this, most players are able to get through the first Winter Assault mission without the fatal SCAR error. It's usually caused by corrupted script files or leftover mod configs interfering.